The Supreme Court today strongly criticized Telangana Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy for his statement in the Assembly that no by-elections will be held even if BRS MLAs switch to the Congress party. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and A.G. Masi was hearing petitions seeking a timely decision by the Telangana Assembly Speaker on disqualification petitions against the defecting MLAs. During the hearing, senior advocate Aramya Sundaram, appearing for the petitioners, informed the court about the CM's statement, which was made in the presence of the Speaker. The statement assured the MLAs that they need not worry about any by-elections even if they switch parties. Justice Gavai reacted sharply to this, stating that such remarks made on the floor of the House mock the 10th schedule of the Constitution, which is meant to prevent political defections. Senior advocate Mukul Rohtagi, representing the Speaker, said that he could not explain the statement as he was not representing the CM. However, Justice Gavai pointed out that Rohtagi had represented the Chief Minister in another case where the court had also disapproved of his remarks. Referring to past incidents, Justice Gavai recalled that in August 2024, the Chief Minister had made controversial comments about the court's decision to grant bail to BRS leader K. Kavita in the cash for votes case. The court also noted that statements made in the Assembly carry more weight than those made at any public rallies. It emphasized that ministerial statements in the House can even be used to interpret laws. Finally, the bench warned that while the court may be slow in issuing contempt notices, it is not powerless. Rohtagi was then asked to caution the Chief Minister against making such remarks again. For your information, let me also tell you here that the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, also known as the Anti-Defection Law, was introduced to prevent elected representatives from switching parties for personal or political gain. It states that MLAs and MPs can be disqualified if they defect to another party unless a merger happens with at least two-thirds of the original party's members.